Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is just a quick update on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Yes, I got an update on my T-Mobile model for the camera, so I just wanted to let everybody know and see if they actually fixed the cameras on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I did some video in 4K at 60 and 30, also some nighttime video and some photos I took before and after the update. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. But before I get into that part of the video, check this out. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 60 frames per second after the update. OnePlus was supposed to fix the cameras on the phone. I like the idea that at least they are trying. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does everything look? How does it sound? Now in the photos that you're about to see later on, I think it does make a difference. I think the after pictures actually look better. But I want your opinion. Y'all let me know. Yes, I can still zoom in. I do not have access to the wide angle lens, so maybe on a future update, if OnePlus actually can fix that, that would be great. I'll probably come back with 4K at 30 just to give y'all a different bit, or even 1080p at 30 just to see another part of the video. But do y'all think this looks good? Does it suck? Because a lot of people was hating on OnePlus for the cameras, but I don't know, I never really had a problem with it. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Stay tuned, I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second after the update. What do y'all think about it? How does everything look? Again, how does it sound? Let's zoom in, look at that. 3x zoom. Again, even at 4K at 30 frames, I do not have access to the wide angle lens. How does that sound with the wind? For some reason the wind picked up. Look, slow pan. Slow pan. Look at, let's zoom in again. It zooms in pretty well. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. I'm gonna probably come back with 4K at 30 frames for nighttime just to see if y'all can notice anything different there too. But y'all let me know how everything was in this video. Look at the ground. Man, I think these cameras look good right now. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'll come back with 4K at nighttime. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the OnePlus 7 Pro 4K at 30 frames per second at nighttime after the update. What y'all think about it? Yes, I have the T-Mobile variant. What y'all thought about the photos that you just saw? Did you see improvement on the before and after? I think so, but I want your opinions. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Look at the ground. I think OnePlus actually made some really good improvements on the cameras, especially for photo. The video looks pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. The mics on here are great. Look at the clouds. Yes, that's my famous big lot. Look at the zoom in. Big lots. Looks a little grainy there, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How's the stabilization too? The grass looks perfect. Nice colors. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. Do you see any type of improvements? Do your homework if you're going to pick up this phone. I'm really enjoying it. I know this phone was getting a lot of hate, but hey, it is what it is. When something's good, a lot of people don't like it, but it is what it is. But But y'all do your homework if you want to pick up this phone. I'm just testing out the cameras, giving y'all some footage. You make your decision up if you think this is better or not. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.